if you look at how people rate the quality of life through their lifespan, those in their early 20s, mid-20s are reporting very high quality of life. And then as you get into your late 20s and your 30s, it starts to go down, and it kind of troughs or kind of bottoms out right about your early 50s. And then what happens to reports of quality of life is actually they start to go up. And so they start to become as high as they were in the 20s, in the mid to late 60s into the 70s. So you see actually quality of life, those reporting their quality of life kind of over a lifespan, that as people grow older, the quality of life actually, they rate their quality of life as improving. It's interesting data. But what we've found, and what's also important, is that the concept of depression can be significant in older adults. So it's generally considered one of the top 5 concerns for older adults is depression. It generally goes undiagnosed and untreated, and so that's a specific concern for the elderly, and certainly kind of one thing that we wanted to focus on in the care intervention. So then you map a cancer diagnosis on it, then you can imagine that the distress potentially increases, because it's not only cancer diagnosis, then it's thinking about and deciding on cancer treatments, and then it's living with the aftermath of those treatments. So it's living with the side effects of those treatments, combined with what's happening in terms of aging. So it can be a lot to deal with, for sure.